there, my name is Julie,
and today is another episode of Frugal Mama Reviews, where I try out an item, a product, a service, and tell you if I think it is worth your hard-earned money.
we have another gift from Olafus. They're the ones that did the outdoor safety light. And today what we've got from them are some waterproof speakers. It says they're wireless, they are Bluetooth, and you can use them in the shower, which is what we plan to do. Well, what I plan to do. But they also would work for swimming adventures, or if you wanted to, I don't know, dance in the rain. Instructions. I wonder if they come charged. Let's find out. It looks like we've got a USB right there, and then these look like microphone plugins. So there's another. So each one comes with its own set of cords. That's great. I'm happy with the packing, happy with the shipping. They came very quickly and packed really well. Let's see, on the side here, it says this is where the line goes in, and then you've got your power button here, or I guess play, make it louder, make it quieter. They also have these handy little straps so that, like in the shower, yeah, you could just hang that up and listen to your tunes. I am one who does like to listen to something, whether it's a song or a show or a podcast, whilst showering. Let's see. I don't see the power button. What am I missing here? Maybe they have to be hooked up to something else in order to work. I'm gonna read the instructions. How about that? What a crazy idea. What a crazy idea. To power on your Olafus Bluetooth waterproof speakers, you just need to hold the play button down for like 2 seconds. You do the same thing to turn it off. Let's look at these instructions. So you have the volume up, down, which also turns on and off the light. But why would you want to turn off the lights? They are so much fun. I figured out how to charge them. You open this awesome little tab on the side. That's your waterproof seal. And that is where your USB charger is going to plug in. And the red light will stay on until such time that it is completely charged. So if the red light is off, you are charged and ready to go. Before you use this in the water, be sure to seal that little flap again. Push that down nice and tight, and then hey, it's time to get in the water. If you are going to use Bluetooth, you don't need to worry about the line in plug. That is if you're gonna connect directly to whatever your device is. But for Bluetooth purposes, nope, just set your device to Bluetooth and go ahead and find the device listed on possible devices, connect, and there you go. There you go. Check it out. It's like having a party in the shower. Well, wait a minute. That one I think is staying blue. But this one, wait, no, it's back to blue. So did the other one change colors? Let's put it over here so we can see. All right, still blue, but this one's changing colors. What does that mean? I don't know. Ooh, is that purple? That's freaking awesome. Anyhow, there you go. And yes, we're in the shower. Ooh, look how cool that looks. Whee! Yes, we are in the shower because these, yeah, they're waterproof. It works great, and it makes a fun light show. Okay, so it was super easy. I'm gonna have to bring the GoPro in here to actually show you how it works when it's working, but it's so cool. The speakers, yeah, they work together. I should have like one on one side and one over here somewhere. That'd be totally awesome. But when they're playing together, the colors match together, which is fantastic. I am absolutely enjoying my showers so much more now that I don't have to bring my cell phone into the shower with me. That is wonderful. I've had so many situations happen. You guys know I am prone to disaster and catastrophe. Well, not anymore, because I've got these speakers and they hang there in the shower and I get to listen to whatever I want to without worrying about destroying a very expensive cell phone. I do look forward to trying them out in the pool, in the rain, in the ocean even. What the heck? Why not? Let's get crazy. Be sure to look in the video description for the link that is just for Frugal Mama's friends. We are grateful to Olafus for providing these fabulous speakers and look forward to working with them again in the future. We are really really impressed with the quality of their devices. But for the mothers and mother figures in your life, hey, consider the waterproof Olafus Bluetooth speakers for the person that you love. Have a wonderful day. We'll see you all very soon.